Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're looking great. Thanks for joining me. So, some of you may have known that recently I bleached my hair blonde in a moment of lockdown madness. I went from ginger to blonde. It worked out okay, better than I deserved. Not as good as it could have been, but not as bad as it could have been either. But I've been curling my hair a lot since because I think it looks better curled in this colour, and I'm giving myself some major Sabrina vibes. Not to toot my own horn, but this hair is giving me Sabrina vibes. I only recently started watching Sabrina. I finished it, don't worry, but I literally finished it in 3 days, not that long ago. And I'm obsessed. So today I'm going to try and give you a Sabrina look. I've already done my face but there are some extra Sabrina-isms that I think that I can go back over and enhance to really bring the look to life. So I'll add in a couple of photos so you can see what I'm trying to follow. I'll move to one side so that I can have the photo here for you guys. The first thing that I really noticed about Sabrina is that her eyebrows are quite dark. I filled mine in a lot, but I feel like I could powder them a little bit more just to really properly embody those Sabrina brows. Her eyebrows are incredible. I wish my brows looked like hers. I'm just gonna go in again with the same eyebrow stuff that I always use, but with the powder, which comes out a bit darker. And I'm just gonna darken up these brows a little bit to fully realize my Sabrina fantasy. Okay, so now we've got our gorgeous dark bushy brows. I am going to do something else that is very Sabrina, and I'm going to add a little smoky eye. So Sabrina's look is pretty iconic. It's, the platinum blonde hair with her little hairband, the dark brows, smoky eye, red lips, and obviously some really retro clothing. And I'm gonna try and do it head to toe. So we've got our brows done, we got the hair. So the next thing I'm going to do is the eyes, and I've got my little Tartlet in Bloom palette, which I think will be perfect for this look. It's a lot of nudes. This is where I dropped some foundation on it once. Yeah, this palette's been with me through thick and thin, so we're going to use that to create the nude eye for our Sabrina look today. So I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush and this shade Smarty Pants and just work that into my crease. Honestly, with just the one shade, I'm already feeling that it looks pretty similar to the eye that she defaults to, but I'm gonna just go in and add a little bit more for dimension. So I'm gonna take a different brush and go in with this shade Rebel, the one with the foundation in it, and just work that into the inner crease just to make the look a bit more interesting. Sorry, Sabrina. So we've got quite a smoky eye going on. I'm just going to go into the inner corner with a lighter shade. So with this fluffy brush that I just used, I'm just going to use the other side and go into Flower Child. There. Just pack that onto the inner corner. And then just blending that out with Smarty Pants. Okay, I know I said that she doesn't wear much eyeliner or anything like that, so I'm just gonna go in with a little smudgy pencil and put something just along the bottom of my lash line to define my eye. Okay, I'm really happy with the eyes. I'm just going to curl my lashes, add some mascara and falsies, and then we can move on to the next Sabrina feature. So I've just added some fake lashes. I only put 3/4 on because I feel like Sabrina's look is generally a bit more subtle girl next door makeup, apart from her lips. Sabrina is always rocking a red lip, especially when she's like hardcore badass Sabrina. So I am gonna go ahead and put on a red lip. So first I'm gonna line my lips, and I need to find a suitable lip liner. Ooh, this one looks very Sabrina. So I am going to go in with my NYX lip liner in the shade Vintage, which is a bit worn down. I actually saw that NYX were doing like Sabrina lip sets where you could have like a Sabrina lipstick and lip liner and a Weird Sisters lipstick and lip liner, and they look really cool. I don't know if they're still doing them. If they are, I'll put a link below. I'm not overlining my lips as much as I would usually, just because I'm trying to stay a bit more true to Sabrina. And then I'm gonna go in with my Under the Stories lipstick in Nude Carmine, which is actually quite a red colour. I love this lipstick, by the way. Under the Stories lipsticks are so buttery. They're like, they just glide on. They're gorgeous. I wear this like most days. If it's just a casual day, I just dab it on my finger and dab it on my lip to give it a bit of tint. But then when there's an occasion, I can just lather it on. Oh, it feels so good and it's so hydrating. Like, it makes my lips feel like I've just put a lip balm on. Please check out Under the Stories lipsticks. They're gorgeous. So that's my red lip, and I am feeling the Sabrina fantasy already. Like, queen of the underworld, say what? Okay, now to complete the transformation, I'm gonna have to change. So I noticed that Sabrina doesn't wear like big accessories and things, so I'm gonna take off my chunky necklace. I've already put in some tiny earrings. Like, I feel like these are something that Sabrina would wear. Just these cute little accessories like that. I'm gonna get rid of the chunky necklace. I've got like this black roll neck top from Primark, which I think is very Sabrina. I've found a little black headband, and I've got my monkey snakeskin leather jacket, which I also feel is something she'd wear, because there's this one episode where she's it's either like a burgundy or a brown leather jacket with this type of roll neck top and her headband and her little look, and it is so sick. Like, fierce. I wish I dressed like Sabrina every day. So I'm just gonna get changed and I will be right back with the full look. Hi guys. So this is the final look, and I'm feeling very Sabrina. I've got my little turtleneck and my cool leather jacket and my red lip and nude eye, and I am honestly feeling like I am about to rule hell. So if you guys enjoyed this look, please like my video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love ya!